today we're gonna be doing a squishy haul.
So my dad took us for like an last day of school graduation gift.
Well,
It's
not
our
last day of school because it was already our last day of school
We got
yesterday. But we were
goodies.
supposed to do it today.
And we even have each 6 dumplings we're gonna show you at the end.
We'll just do these first then.
Okay, guys,
Since
I
you already
actually showed them by accident.
Okay,
So we have these donuts. All these are from Learning Express, and the other ones were just from random places that we found at the mall. Yes. Oh, let me get scissors for both of us.
You can have the bigger ones.
Thank you.
'Cause
Okay.
I'm the tiny one.
Let me get my trash can.
Thank you. Okay, I got mine.
I'm getting out of the camera. Give me your trash. I'll give it to you. I'll get it.
I'm trying to get it.
Ooh.
Oh
yes.
my God.
Yes.
Yes. I thought
Yes.
this was a Tabayos.
That's what I thought. Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
I love it. Ooh.
Okay, should we show them this next?
The Infinity Cube?
Yeah.
Okay, so we also have
An
Infinity Cube.
These are so nice. I love doing this because I can make
You don't have a tag on yours?
No.
Oh, I did.
I think she ripped it off on accident.
Yeah, we have these Infinity
you can
Cubes.
make it into a little bench like this.
Yeah. I think these
And
are
you can
really-
also make a chair.
These are really cool.
Look
The block. I think it's really cool. I'm going to keep it as a cube. Oh, you get back, sure.
Look, you can make this a chair.
It's a couch, bro. Nice. Nice couch. Perfect. I'm going to keep mine as the cube.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it as a cube.
I really love this.
Yeah, me too. I want to do these next.
What?
What do you want to do? Which
This.
one? Okay.
And then we'll do this, and then we'll do this. We'll do this first, and then this, because I think this
No,
is really
we should
cool.
do this one.
Oh, shoot. We have to do this, too. Okay, hold on. We're going to do this, then this, then this, then this, then
No,
this.
we should
Or
do
that.
that mini thing last.
So like that.
Yeah.
Or like that.
So
Which
let
one?
me
Like
get,
this?
Let me,
No, we should do it like this. Okay, I like that.
let me
Sorry.
get them in order. 1 second. So
Let me
this.
see that. No, hold on. So, we're doing these right now. So this, then this, then that, then that,
So then this.
then that, then that. Okay,
that.
yeah, perfect. You have it right there. And then there's right there.
Let me put this like that, and then that's good.
All right, next up we have,
We have
balloon dogs.
They're sugar texture.
Yeah, I think these are cool. We found them. We're finding
Oh
yes,
my
yes.
gosh, guys. These are so nice.
Oh yeah, they're so cute.
Bailey, I got one too. I got like a little arrow.
I love it.
I know they're so good. There's
Oh,
glitter all
yeah.
over them though. Yeah, glitter on them.
Yay.
It's okay. Guys, I love sugar texture.
Yeah, I don't like glitter though. I hate it.
I don't like glitter either.
Ready?
Okay.
Next we have bananas.
They actually like peel.
Yeah, I think. Oh wait, do they come out?
Yeah.
Oh, they don't. Oh. It's kind of like
Unless
an air.
you rip it.
Yeah, it's kind of like an air squishy.
Yeah, I still like it though.
Yeah.
It looks like there was sand in it though.
Yeah.
I think there's.
Okay.
Wait.
I hear it. Let's do
There's
these.
like something.
All right, guys. This is really cool.
Well, no, we should do this first because this is more rare.
No, let's do the normal ones. I want these.
Okay.
Next up, we have like
They're mini and they feel so nice.
like butter. It's the cutest thing ever.
And they feel nice. They don't.
Oh yeah, I love it. Yep. This is my new favorite.
My gosh.
You guys, I love it so
Guys.
much. Oh yes, yes. Oh yeah. You guys are gonna be shocked on what we found. It's another butter, but just wait till the color.
Yes, this is. Yes.
I love this.
This is my new favorite.
Yes, I really love this. I can't wait for these.
That smells like butter. It smells like butter.
I hate butter. No.
At the after
Oh my god,
smell,
I'm literally watering up. That smells so bad.
I love that smell.
Okay, ready? Next, for the next one.
We got chocolate.
Butters. I think that was really
They're
cool.
foam, but like.
But like, my dad's bought them. I'm like, oh.
Wait, Bailey, they're slow rise foam.
Oh, heck yeah.
I got mine open.
So do I.
Yo!
Oh, it smells amazing. This is the kind of smell I like.
Guys,
Oh, yeah.
look at how
yeah.
good this
Oh,
is.
yeah.
Oh my gosh. I love this smell too. Oh,
I'm so happy.
I can't wait for this next one.
Guys,
I've never
These
felt
are
one.
really cool. Be careful.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1. swirl mini Neatos. I thought these were really cool, but like
Just because they're in a baggie doesn't mean they're Neatos. Bailey!
we felt them at Learning Express because like
Bailey.
oh yeah, yeah. I love this one too. I really love all of these
I like
ones.
the butter the best.
I
the mini
really like
one.
this one.
I like all of them, but like the mini butter is the
I
best.
really love this one. It's not
Bailey,
hard.
we should do this one, these two last.
Okay, hold
So,
We're doing this one first. Then we'll do these two. Then then this one, Harper.
Then which one?
Then this one. No, then this one, Harper.
I can see.
Oops. Ooh, hold on. That's the cool thing. One of them has a bottom where you can see, and one of them doesn't. So, hold on. So then these two first, and then this one.
And then this one.
Okay. Then this one. Then this one, and then the last one right here.
Okay. Ready?
So, yeah.
So guys,
We have 6 dumplings. Oh wait, mine both don't have bottoms.
my I can feel my bottom.
Ew.
Ready?
Hold on. Okay.
3,
Wait, look away. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! I got blue. Guys, this feels. This.
Oh,
I got a normal face.
it's cute.
I got a normal face. Baby.
Wait, hold on. Where's my other green one? They're different. Oh,
What's right here? I see it.
No, it's my gingerbread guy.
Oh my.
Hold up, guys. I literally have one for my other.
Wait, these are both so different.
No, I have another blue one just like that. Hold on, let me find my other. Where is it?
Oh my god.
I'm not searching for it right now.
Guys.
Like, this is so cute.
I remember this. This has 3 mini ones.
Yeah, I love this one, you guys.
I love it.
Perfect. I'm gonna keep mine out like
I'm
that.
gonna keep mine out, but I'm gonna keep this. Oh, you ready?
No.
I'm
Look
just
ready?
gonna take the wrapper off.
Mine both don't have any bottoms.
Yeah, mine.
Mine won't come off. What the
This
heck?
one doesn't have a bottom.